Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add an NFC card to your Google Wallet. So if you have a bus card or any type of card that uses NFC and you want to add it to Google Wallet, you can actually do that by opening the Google Wallet app. After that, from here you will see this menu. You need to click on the plus icon on the down right corner. So now from here you will have a lot of options. So if you want to add an NFC card like transit pass or bus card, or if you want to add your bank card to use it as an NFC card, you can do that. So there is a lot of options. So if you want to add a bus card, you need to click on transit pass, and from here you need to choose your own bus from your own country. Not all transit NFC cards are available, but if your one is available, you can search for it and add it from here. So you can just click on your own like this one, and now it will redirect you to the sign in page online. So you can click on whatever app you wanted to open to, and as see from here, now you can add your bus card from the bus website. And as I already said, you can add any other card, not just your bus or transit cards. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.